Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The excitement is building as the candidates for Miss Grand International 2024 prepare to depart for Cambodia and Thailand, where they will compete for the prestigious title. With the theme Different Path, One Shared Dreams, these stunning delegates from around the world are now more than ready to showcase their beauty, talent, and passion on the international stage. And each contestant has followed her own unique journey to get to this moment. But they all share the same dream to win the Miss Grand International crown and become an ambassador for peace and humanitarian causes. And the candidates have been training intensely for months, perfecting their runway walks, evening gowns presentation, interviews, and advocacy platform. As they prepare to fly out to Cambodia and Thailand, their spirits are high and their determination is palpable. The competition will be a multi-week event filled with preliminary rounds, national costume presentation, and various challenges designed to test the delegates' poise, intelligence, and grace. And the supporters from all over the globe are cheering on their national representative, eagerly awaiting updates as the pageant unfolds. With their bags, packs, and hearts full of hope, the Miss Grand International 2024 candidates are ready to shine brightly and prove that their dream is within reach. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!